everyone. Just wanted to make a quick video about how to glue a pipe and a fitting together using solvent glue. This is our preferred method, it's how I do it, and it's just useful, I think, for some people to see how it gets done. So the first thing, or crucial step really, with making your life easier with the pipe is to actually chamfer the end. Now we actually have a handy chamfering tool here. I appreciate not everyone's got this, so obviously trying to make a nice neat chamfer is a good step. So we're just going to place this on here and give the pipe that chamfer. This obviously aids fitting the pipe into the fitting. So once we've done that, the next step really is to now give the pipe a bit of a clean with pipe cleaner. Now it's obviously quite a solvent-based product, to make sure you're doing it in a well-ventilated area. We don't want to go mad with this. Obviously you should probably wear protective gloves as well if you're doing this, and don't want to get it on your skin. Just want to give the pipe a quick wipe, nothing too much. Give it a nice thing there, give it a few moments to dry. You can also do the same with the actual fitting if the fitting's dirty. This is pretty clean, so not too worried about that. Okay, so give that a few moments just to flash off. So the next step now, we're going to be gluing the pipe and the fitting together. We're actually using a WD-F05 blue glue today. It's one of our preferred favourite glues. It's brilliant for gluing PVC or even ABS, or PVC to ABS, and particularly it works very well with semi-rigid or flexible pipe. Not all glues do that. I know a lot of other people do like the weld-on glues as well, but this is our preferred brand. So first things first, the trick here is not to go too much with the glue, and always what you want to do is put more on the male part of the pipe and less on the female side, because you don't want the glue being pushed up inside the fitting. So first things first, we're going to give the nice little quick whip around there. And then we're going to also give just a light thing on the end of the pipe. Now here's the crucial bit. As we push it together, like that, we just want to give the pipe a nice little twist, and that's it, job done. And obviously mop up the excess. Oops, see. That's it really, and then that's it, done. Very quick. It goes very quickly, so you've got to be quite quick with it. And so this is why it's important to have a clean pipe going into a clean fitting. And if you can keep the makes the same, that's also helpful. And also, some people like to sand the pipe. That can actually work against you, I find, because it makes it a bit gritty. So yeah, there we go. Quick, easy join. Many thanks for watching.